Hi, my name is Ken Pierce, and I'm here to talk to you today about arsenic in apple juice. There may be dangerous amounts of arsenic in the apple juice that you're drinking and that you're giving your children. In 2011, the Dr. Oz Show did an investigation on the levels of arsenic in apple juice, and the results were stunning. What is arsenic? Arsenic is a very poisonous oxygen compound used in making insecticides. If you're wondering how this could affect you, the fact is you could be consuming dangerous amounts of this every day and giving it to your children. How does arsenic get in apple juice? Although arsenic has been banned in the U.S. for decades, it's not always regulated in other countries. Arsenic may be in a concentrate that we get from other countries. You see, we buy the arsenic, or we don't buy arsenic, we buy concentrate, apple concentrate from other countries, and we make apple juice out of it. Well, the fact of the matter is one type of apple juice could have up to concentrate from up to 7 different countries in it. And in these countries, they may still use arsenic in the insecticides that they use on the trees. Also, it might be in the water they use to water the trees. The fact of the matter is it's coming from other countries that don't regulate the arsenic use. Now, what kind of health problems could it cause? Well, unlikely in the consumption of apple juice, arsenic could cause cancer, but you're not going to get cancer from drinking apple juice. As far as any other issues go, it's not clear at this time. There's not a whole lot of information on all the health risks, but nevertheless, it's poison and it's in our apple juice. Now, I'm going to take a few minutes and I'm going to go over some brands, some popular brands and levels of arsenic that may be in them. The EPA put a limit on the level of arsenic allowed in drinking water, and that level is 10 parts per billion. Now here are some popular brands and their levels of arsenic. Minute Maid. The lowest would be 2 parts per billion, the highest 3 parts per billion. That's not bad. Apple and Eve, the lowest 4 parts, the highest 11 parts. Still not too bad. Mott's, we all know Mott's. It's one of the most popular brands. The lowest level would be 4 parts per billion, the highest 16 parts per billion. That's 6 parts over what's allowed in the drinking water. EPA standards. Juicy Juice, which is personally what we used to buy our kids, the lowest 2 parts, the highest 22 parts per billion. 12 parts over what's allowed in drinking water. Then you have Gerber. We all know Gerber, the Gerber baby. The lowest 2 parts, the highest 36 parts. It's 26 parts higher than what's allowed in drinking water, EPA standards. So the conclusion is that there's dangerous levels of poison in the juice we're giving our kids and that we are drinking ourselves. And if it weren't for Dr. Oz, we wouldn't even know it. As you heard, some of the most popular brands like Gerber and Mott's, the brands we trust the most, actually have the highest levels. So when you're buying apple juice, always read the label. If the concentrate does not come from the United States, you might want to reconsider buying it. For more on this information, you can go to www.droz.com. Thank you.